Series 20 Northern Nightmare Spin Master Monster Jam. For Series 20, the poster is a picture of Northern Nightmare. So the other trucks in this series is Thunderbus, Alternate Dimensions. We get arena favorites of Big Kahuna. Then we get Zombie, the Boneyard trucks. There's El Toro Loco in Sheer Madness. We have Gravedigger in Max Contrast and Gravedigger in Retro Rebels. We have Wolf's Head in Arena Favorites. Earthshaker in Showtime. So we're gonna open up this Legacy Trucks of Northern Nightmare. And I was able to get this at a store called Kohl's, which other people been finding this series at this store. Oh yeah, check it out. This is the way I really like my trucks looking, with the a color going around for the beadlock rings, the printed of the BKT lettering on the tires, and then you get that gray chassis. And then the black roll cage with the engine and the suspension. And so, yeah, it's really looking good here. With Northern Nightmare, we get a red Willy bar to do those tricks if you want. I'm going to take that off for right now. Northern Nightmare, last time we saw him was back in 2019. So up close here, you can check out Northern Nightmare. From the two trucks from 2019 to this year, which I'm getting this here in 2022. This series probably already came out last year, but there's not too much of a difference I see with the two trucks. Oh, yes, there is. Here up front, they still have a website underneath the grill and lights. The grill is still the same, but the lights are different, as you can see in the video. And also, the tinted of the windshield is darker than the first version of Northern Nightmare. Let's go ahead around to the other side. There is a little bit of a difference in the color, I believe, right here, with the coloring here in this area of Northern Nightmare. This version looks to be a little bit darker right here with the leaves than this version, the newer version. So on to the back now. There we have. Okay, so there is a little bit difference here on the back of Northern Nightmare. On the tailgate, you can tell with the lettering and the font size also, and very so it does say monsterjamcanada.ca, so that is a website. You can see that the lettering for that website is brighter with that white, and also it is larger with the older version compared to the newer version here on the right hand side. Up top with the Monster Jam World Finals 2012 Freestyle Champion. You can't see it as well with the newer version. It's kind of darker than the older version. Kind of like the older version a little bit better, so you can see it, but also the leaf, you can tell that it is a little bit set up a little bit higher than the other version. I don't know if that's correcting it or not. I would have to see a picture of Northern Nightmare. Actually, we just saw the poster of it. So the older version too, look at those really the wheels are those silver wheels, and then the silver chassis. This one has just that gray look to it. Front here on the hood of Northern Nightmare, it's a little bit different. You have just the lettering is different, and also kind of brighter white for the lettering. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing of Northern Nightmare.